Hello everyone and welcome. Fall has finally arrived here in Alabama. Not really, it was 99, 100, 101 all week last week. And we're finally starting to get some cooler temperatures this first full week of October. And fall means getting out and taking care of all the leaves. To take care of the leaves in our yard, we have one of those Craftsman leaf vacuum deals. And my fiance took it over to her parents' house to help them vacuum up all the leaves in their yard because their yard's getting kind of in bad shape and they're really not able to get out there and do it themselves. When she got home that afternoon, I just got through cutting grass and she wanted to take and blow some of the grass off and vacuum some of the stray leaves around, and it just would not come on. And looking online, there appears to be a problem with the switch on that particular model. Now, to replace the switch itself, it's like 36 bucks, and finding the part number to go along with that is a real pain in the ass. So today I'm going to take that leaf blower slash vacuum apart, see if just cleaning that switch out, as well as the micro switches that are located throughout the little deal to keep you from sticking your hands up in the impeller, are messed up as well, and then test it out, see how it does. So let's go in the shop and tear this thing apart and look at it. So the leaf blower that we're going to be working on is a model 151.30376. With the blower vacuum plugged in, I've got power all the way up to where I get to the switch, and then it quits. All right, now that it's unplugged, I'm going to take it apart and see if I can fix that switch. And there's a hidden screw right here. Right now, let's open her up. As you can see, it's real dirty down in here, so maybe cleaning it off and putting a little bit of grease on there will help get it back working again. See, it also has like a little detent ball right here that likes to get gummed up. Now that I've cleaned off my switch and reinstalled in here, I'm going to check these micro switches and make sure that they're in good working order. There's one here. Like I said, it appears to be in good shape. If you have a hard time putting this little micro switch back, there's two little standoffs, one here and one there, that the holes on the switch itself fit on. And you may have to take and move this back a little bit. And the other micro switch is down here on the bottom, and like I said, it just kind of has like a little cubby hole all to itself. This appears to be in working order. So now that I've checked everything, that all I can really check, the impeller itself looks like it's in pretty good shape and it spins freely. So now I'm going to button it back up and give it a test drive. So now that I've got it all buttoned up, I'm just going to test the impeller to make sure that nothing shifted when I put it back together. That appears to be clear, so I'm going to close it up. I'm going to put a blower nozzle on here and see if it'll turn on. I got it plugged in and all put back together, and I'm going to give it a test try. So that's all it took, was about 20 minutes to take it apart, fix that switch or whatever. So it's up and running again. Now, this isn't my normal genre of things. I'm not an electrician or work on electronics or anything like that, but I'm not afraid to tackle projects like this. And you shouldn't be either, because anything that's broken like this can be fixed. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next time.